I'm pleased to see these things haven't blown up the ship. Yet.
Sir, given the visual similarity between the various pieces, have you considered that they might combine to create a larger, more distinct object?
With everything else going on, Stedman, I couldn't care less what they do. Just that we get paid when we finally hand them over to the Mobius boys.
We have a very special guest today, Crown Prince Valerian. Thank you so much for joining us, Highness.
Thank you, Kate. It's wonderful to be here.
Let me get right to the question on everyone's mind. Is there anyone special in your life right now?
Truth be told, Kate, I've had a crush on you for many years.
Oh, stop.
But in all seriousness, with the Zerg invasion, there's little time for such things. I've been studying military tactics under General Warfield, and whatever spare time I have is devoted to statecraft. It's my goal to be the best emperor our people could ask for. When the time comes, of course.
Wonderful. Now I've got two of them to worry about.
How did you become such good buddies with those freaky Protoss? All I hear is they kill Terrans like you and me on sight.
Some of them would. But some others would fight to the death protecting people like us. I helped them defend their homeworld from the Zerg during the First War. When Kerrigan came back leading the swarm, I helped him out again. They're real big on loyalty.
Damn, Jimmy. Almost sounds like you respect them.
I wouldn't expect you to understand, Tychus.
Good to see you, brother. Wait. I can see it in your eyes. You've seen into the spirit world. The Protoss. He gave you a crystal. And now you've been seeing what he's seen.
That ain't nothing to do with you. Stay out of my head, Tosh.
Have it your way. But you want to tread careful when you go looking into the beyond. If you need me, you know where I'll be.
I ain't working.
You came to the right place.
How long was I down in the lab, Matt?
You've been gone for hours, sir. You've been in the lab all that time?
I used the Eon crystal Zeratul gave me. I'd swear it only lasted a few minutes. So vivid. Zeratul's been searching for a Zelnaga prophecy about the end of the universe. There's more. I just haven't got to it yet.
We still need to access the adjutant we retrieved from Tarsonis. Our old mercenary associate, Colonel Orlin, is an expert in Confederate code decryption. If our intel's right, he should still be based at the Merkhaven at Dead Man's Port. He's not very trustworthy, but he's our best bet of breaking that encryption.
Dead Man's Port. It's risky just waiting here with all these mercenaries around. Colonel Orlin's sure taking his time decrypting that adjutant for us.
Yeah, I'm getting a bad feeling about this.
Incoming transmission.
James, Orlan decrypted your adjutant, but he's planning to sell it to the Dominion. Must have been something exciting in there. He wants me to keep you off his back until they arrive.
That's nice, Mira. But why are you telling me all this?
Because I like you and Matthew better than him, of course. Match Orlan's offer, and I will help you take him out instead. He's paying in minerals, so I'll give you the same deal.
Done. Always a pleasure, Mira.
Don't take too long now. If Orlan comes up with the goods first, I will have to side with him. Oh, and say hello to Matthew for me. Ask him why he never calls.
It's gonna be hard to get minerals down there. We'll have to find salvage if we're gonna hire Mira before Orlan does. You think she'll help Orlan, sir?
She's a mercenary. She'll help whoever pays the most. All right, boys. We got a deal with Mira Han. Now let's get to work and get that adjutant back.
Want some? Can't wait. Orders received. Aye, aye, sir. You got it.
Pirates have been stripping down ships here for years. It should be pretty easy to collect enough scrap to pay Mira off.
Been waiting on you. Go, go, go! You gonna give me orders?
SCV ready. Bad news?
Big job, huh? Armed and ready. I'm on it.
SCV ready.
Outstanding. Will do. Tenfold.
SCV ready.
Keep your shirt on, Sparky.
Those shredders are constantly producing scrap we can salvage. We should check this area again later.
Incoming transmission.
I left a little present out here for you and Matthew. I never got to give it to him last time you boys were here.
Damn, Jimmy. Are those vulture bikes?
Good eye, Tychus. We can use them to lay mines around our base to hold off Orlan.
Yeah. Ah! You scared me. In the rear with the gear. SCV ready.
Yeah.
What's going on?
The doctor is in.
Yes, sir. Can't wait. Same way. Got it.
The doctor is in.
Yeah. Ah! You scared me.
Base is under attack. Our SCVs are under attack.
You're the boss.
Add-on complete.
What do you want?
Ah! You scared me. news? All right. Bring it on. Sure. Oh, yeah. SCV ready. Can't wait. Can't wait. You got it. All right. SCV ready. Who wants some? Roger that. Why not? SCV ready. You gonna give me orders? All right. I'm on it. How about lending a hand? Go, go, go! Got a hole. Been waiting on you. Keep your shirt on, Spike. All right, bring it on. Oh, it's on. What's going on? Well, Buttermouth, how about lending a hand? Yes, sir. Roger that. Orders received. Show going. Ah! You scared me! Boom, baby! You are online. Huh? Yeah. By the numbers, boys. Outstanding. Looking forward to it. Stop to get heavy. SCV ready. Of course. You got it. I feel you. Oh, yeah. Sure thing. SCV ready. Let's have a blast. SCV ready. Gateway coming through. Roger that.
Mineral field depleted.
SCV ready. Online. Yep. Uh-huh. It's go time. With the gear. Yeah, whatever. You gonna give me orders?
Mineral field depleted.
Keep your shirt on, Spark.
Add-on complete.
Go, go, go!
Mineral field depleted. Base is under attack.
This better be good. Got it. You want a piece of me, boy? Gateway, coming through. We'll do. Who wants some? Bad news?
Mineral field depleted.
Yeah. All right. Bring it on. Roger. Been waiting on you. This better be good. Oh, yeah. Go, go, go! Big job, huh?
The doctor is in.
Been waiting on you. All right. Bring it on.
Mineral field depleted. Additional supply depots required.
That's fine. Huh? Armed and ready. We hear you.
The doctor is in.
Yes, sir. This better be good. Can't wait.
Base is under attack.
Better send some body bags.
We could use some help here. Sure thing. Gateway, coming through. Yes, sir. Got it.
Base is under attack.
Outstanding. Go ahead. All right, bring it on. Who wants some? How about lending a hand?
Base is under Mineral attack. Field depleted.
This better be good. All right, bring it on. Armed and ready. Big job, huh? What's going on? We hear you. Go ahead, huh? Ah! You scared me! Go, go, go! By the numbers, boys. All right, bring it on. Aye, aye, sir. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Can't wait. Gangway, come and you want a piece of me, boy? I feel you. Roger that. Bad news? Who wants some?
All right, Mira. We both know you're ripping me off, but I'm gonna hire you anyway.
My forces are yours, Jim. I'm so glad I got to side with you and Matthew.
Oh, scheming little. I'll show you what happens to double-dealing backstabbers.
My pleasure.
Lay it on me.
Excellent.
Not enough minerals.
I'm waiting. Of course.
Ah! You scared me! Sure thing. Need something load up? I'm in a world of hurt. Oh, man.
I'm waiting.
I got a little present headed your way.
What's the plan? Of course. I like it.
Fueled up, ready to go. Ready to roll out. I'm in deep.
field defeated. Mineral field defeated.
All right, I surrender. Just take your damn adjutant already.
I ought to do the universe a favor and put you down. It's too bad I might get hired someday. Mira, do me a favor. Keep him on ice.
You got it, Raynor. I will keep the snake safe and sound for you. I will even do it for free.